That thing is slammed.
Dude, this thing is fucking...
Mate. Okay, what did you go buy?
Piece of shit.
Oh god. I didn't look behind me, but it's behind me.
It's a piece of shit.
Oh my god.
Hey, he called me, he's like, just get the fucking thing out of here. And then I got there, and he was like, honestly, dude, I'll take whatever for it. And I was like, I'll give you $500. And he was like, deal. Pretty sweet, right? No mirrors. Came with some wood. Bolts and such.
I love that. Did you still get the other power steering pump?
That's the power steering pump. There you go.
Okay, fair enough. Not bad.
Fucking, you know, these dump tubes?
Oh, they go for like $450.
Yeah, dude.
Holy shit.
Yep.
Bro, you just got a little bit of a jackpot.
I know.
I mean, the car already paid for itself more than...
Yeah.
You got double so far what you paid for the car.
Yeah.
I don't know why you just didn't part it out.
And then this is the meat and potatoes.
I don't know why you didn't part it out.
I don't know either. Remember that JDM grill that I wanted to buy?
No way.
Yeah, it came with it.
Oh my god, dude, you fucking scored.
Yep. I mean, it's cracked and shit, but that's the whole JDM bumper.
Holy shit. Let's go. What, you said the grill too?
Oh, no, I meant bumper.
Oh, the bumper?
Yeah. This is, like, when I was looking them up, it's like a $700 bumper.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's the 0405 lookalike.
That is awesome.
So she needs to be touched up. So
This was free too?
free, $3.99 with another blow-off valve. Brand new one-step holder plugs.
Oh, agent's power.
Good hunk of shit.
That thing is slammed.
Dude, this thing is fucking...
Mate.
Haven't you always wanted to kick a Subaru?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Oh god, I can finally live out this dream.
That was $5. That's $5. That's $10.
$10?
I said charge. People beat the shit out of this car. Oh wait, we shouldn't kick that because we can't turn it then. Oh, there you go. Wait, hold on. Just do this. Now we can turn it.
Just watch the door.
It's got wings, bro. Alright.
Oh, I feel everything in here smelling.
Again. Fucking sick, bro. I'm stoked.
We were trying to figure out what kind of short shifter this has, and when we pulled it up, it looks like there is a mouse nest underneath. That's good. Not really. Hopefully the wiring's not chewed to shit or fucked, but I guess we'll figure it out. But look how gross that is. Oh my god. Wow.
is what I charge you for the manual labor and pushing it in. And then I charge one of these by the hour for supervising.
Yeah, great.
Oh, you fucking piece of shit!
Okay, so in this clip, I was actually explaining what exactly we are doing and what's going on. However, when I was actually recording it, my camera was in the wrong setting, so there's no audio and the recording got messed up. However, I'm going to explain what's going on. Alright, so this blue car that you guys are seeing right now is pretty much just a part out car. My buddy got it for a really good deal and we couldn't pass it up. So he picked it up and pretty much we're just parting it out to make a little bit of money to put towards our project. And as for the project that we are actually doing, we are doing a complete shell swap for my friend's WRX. Right now he has a wagon WRX. It's pretty high mileage, it's not really in the best condition. But he did find a super low mile WRX, only 56,000 miles. So pretty much what we're doing is swapping everything from his wagon into the new chassis. And when we're swapping everything into the new chassis, we're going to be cleaning up the engine bay a lot and going to be adding a lot of delete kits and pretty much just making the engine bay look super clean. Just because the motor's out, it's a whole shell, and you know, now's the time to do it. So that's pretty much what we are doing and the project that we are undertaking. So I'm really excited to show these videos with you guys because it's coming out really good.
Yeah, now is not the time to be recording me taking off ABS sensors because this thing is on fire.
So we're making progress on the part out. The whole inside is completely torn apart. Right now we're working on just popping the coils out and prepping the motor and transmission to get pulled.
For sale. Please buy it for 10 grand.
So we're in the middle of pulling this motor and transmission out of the car because we're parting it out. But we started to find a whole bunch of walnuts.
There's another one in there.
In the coolant hose. So we take the coolant hose off and there's a whole bunch of walnuts in there.
I can get it.
We were going to find a little bit more because there was a whole bunch of walnuts underneath the carpet, in the dash. There was like a huge nest that was there. You guys obviously seen that. But yeah, we were in the middle of taking everything off and we were finding walnuts. But yeah, there's walnuts inside of the motor. There's one.
Yeah!
Let's cut.
There we go, trans mount out.
Cool.